Oh my god, guys. I've been plowing for 45 minutes. And this is what I got. I'm making a snow trench. Going around here. You can see it's all covered up. That's my legacy ADS. And on the other side, the Integra is all covered up. So continue in this trench. This is the front door. Continue the snow trench right there. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna pull the car out. This car, the ATS, and continue shoveling on this side. There is lots. There is a neighbor sidewalk shoveled on the other side over there, and continue shoveling on this side. This is crazy. That's it, guys. Gonna be a lot of all day shoveling. And I don't know if I'm gonna make it to work, because the road to work is about 20 minutes drive, and then getting there is with the snow is gonna take me about 45 minutes. Crazy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put this winter tire to a test. Ice Blazer Saloon. It's very deep. We go. Is this fun? Look at rainbow. Right in the face, man. Wow. Oh my god. It's swerving. Why is he driving like that? Jesus Christ. I think this is when you have winter tires on the front but nothing on the back. That's why it's swerving. This is a quiet ride, not much vehicle out here. Shit, a fucking semi. A fucking semi.